Made it to my friend's lab, and we're going to be doing some tests today. Brought my Lifesaver coil. Going to be hooking up this black box he has to the meter and the scopes. And this is, he says, is the last one of its kind. There were 5 others that were confiscated. And it's rife frequencies and based on Dr. Bob Beck's circuit. So we're going to see what kind of waves this produces, and then you can duplicate that if you have the software at your house and you have a coil and an amp. You can help yourself out at your own home and test out whatever this produces. He says when you hook it up to a car battery, it puts out 25,000 Gauss from the coil, and 2 car batteries 50,000 Gauss. Let's see what it can do.
Okay, I'm seeing something now. There it is.
There we go.
There we go. So let's do a measurement on this. Let's turn that off. Cursor. This is the X. So the cursor, channel A. B.
If we can hit 432. Play around with the knobs. There it is. Okay.
Okay, let's make Y to I want it to trigger at the lower end poles. There we go. Hold on. I'm still getting used to this meter. Okay. I'm gonna switch it around, but do you think this is negative and that's positive, or do you negative lead? Okay, so what you have is a negative pulse every time it's on. That could be the kickback part of the deal, or let's do this. I can't go higher than that. Let's bring this down. I think he's putting a negative pulse on this thing, and then what he gets is a pulse back from the coil. So he turns it on, turns it off really fast, and then he gets his kickback voltage, which you would expect because the field collapses. Then those diodes make sure nothing blows up.
It's exactly what this guy from a company called Magna Coaster was doing. He had two 400-pound neodymium magnets, and he had coils that seemed to, when he turned on the coil, it threw off the field from the magnet, and then when he shut it off, that field came back and sort of wobbled, and then he hit it like a pendulum again, so the field was wobbling, and then he's using that oscillation to step up amps or something. I don't know.
Create power.
Yeah.
Okay. So we know a lot more about this now.
I'm getting there.
1.6 right now, right?
Yeah.
So this is, you're getting, here I'll show you the cursor on the Y, on the X, this pulse for A. It's very little voltage, but I think the diodes are, the huge diodes in parallel just to that, to keep the voltage from increasing and blowing anything up.
So I can hook this up to another car battery. It will produce a 50,000 gauss. This is only 25 right now.
This thing's putting out a pulse width modulated and to this, and then what he was doing is with the series of resistors and diodes here, he's keeping that kickback voltage from going crazy. So he's driving this with a lot of amps.
different backdrop so we can focus only on the black box. We just saw the inside and took off the duct tape, and a friend helped me put these trash ties around it to keep the structure on it. This is the north, that's the south. The north side is supposed to go against the body. And let's turn it on. 1 car battery, so we're getting 25,000 Gauss out of this. I do not have a Gauss meter with me, but I did test it before, and it was getting 50,000 with 2 car batteries. Let's turn it on. Should be getting a red light. Got a couple magnets with me so we can I don't know if you guys can hear that. Whoa. Okay. Let's try a bigger magnet. Whoa. Okay. So the key seems to be 8% duty cycles in square waves.